Today on the 300E, I'm going to work out what actual wheels I have on this car. They are definitely Mercedes wheels. They are 15-inch. They are running 205 65 R15 tyres. Nice high sidewall, makes the ride very comfortable. But the offset on these tyres, pardon me, the offset on these wheels is not what came with this 1987 300E. So I'm going to pull the wheels off. We'll give them a clean, check the offset stamps on the inside and see what we actually have here. Hang around. If we have a look at the front tyre, for example, if I bring the camera right over there, you can see the wheel just protrudes the guard by half a centimetre, 5 millimetres or so. It doesn't rub, there's plenty of clearance, but I need to let you know that there is no front wheel splash guard there. That was removed before I bought the car. That may rub, but there's no rubbing under any circumstances with the wheels as they are. Definitely protrude out slightly. Let's see if I can show you the back one. It's right on the edge, it's flush. The wheels in this car, the guards, there's no rolling on the back, but on the front, somebody has rolled the lip just slightly. It's probably up at about a 45-degree angle under there. But having said that, the springs are at normal height, I think. Looks normal, and there's no rubbing under any maneuvering. So let's pull these wheels off, check it out. So just so you know, I'm also going to pull the front wheels off and give them a clean, but just having a quick brake inspection. The rear brake pads are fine, the rotors are good. How clean is an Australian car? Look at that. That's just normal for us around here. We're lucky, no salt, no crap. And I drive this car regularly, so it doesn't sit wet even if I do drive it in the rain. It's always out on the road getting dried out. Looks good. So after that mess, I'm covered in black dots now. Let's take a look inside here, see what we've got. We've got that marking, that marking, that marking. The one that counts is this, and that. And that. E25, it's a 25mm offset. I never know what that's for. So we'll put that into the database and we'll have a look. I finally found a part number on these wheels. It is stamped, not cast. If you look very carefully, that number there looks like a 124 space 4 space 92. I'm not sure what the rest of that is. It looks like it ends in a U, maybe a V. I'll try a different wheel and see if I can find something on that. Now I pulled off the back left wheel and I find this part number here where the circle is on the edge of that lip, 214923 alpha or A. I'm not able to find any reference to part numbers on the web for remotec wheels. If you know anything about these wheels at all, hit me up in the comments and let me know. All I know is remotec made these wheels as an aftermarket option. There is no star and then a Mercedes-Benz part number cast or stamped on these wheels, only what I've shown you so far. And the stamps are in different locations. They are 15-inch wheels. They definitely have a high offset. I think this offset was made for the W126, maybe the W140, and even possibly the 500E version of the W124 or the AMG version. I don't know, but I would love to know. So if you found this interesting, give this a like and a subscribe. Hit me up with any information you might be able to offer, and good luck with what you are doing with your car.